Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove power and eject batteries because you cannot work with live electronics. Use a Torx or tri-wing driver to remove visible screws, keep them separated by location. Pry the shell open gently with a plastic tool to avoid damage. Once open, inspect ribbon cables and contact pads visually. Look for dust, corrosion, or displaced springs. You're doing this to prepare for the precise repairs that follow, so stay methodical and keep parts organized. Now focus on the right stick assembly. It usually fails due to dirt or worn potentiometers. Remove the stick module and apply electronics cleaner to the contacts. Rotate the stick while spraying, then let it dry. If drift persists, inspect solder joints and flex cable, reflow or resolder cold joints, or use conductive ink to repair tiny trace breaks. Once cleaned or repaired, test the module on an isolated bench with the cable reattached. This confirms function before reassembly, saving time and guesswork. Finish by putting the shell back together carefully. Align clips, seat cables, and tighten screws to a firm but not excessive torque. Reinsert batteries or reconnect the USB and boot your PC. Calibrate the right stick in Windows game controllers or your game's input settings so you can set dead zone and sensitivity properly. If you still see drift or non-response, reopen and reinspect solder joints and the replacement module. It's often a cold joint or a faulty new part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.